Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana. In this channel Hakuna Matata. For my subscribers, thank you very much for your support, for always showing up for me, for your likes, comments and shares. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. For those who are not subscribed yet, I'm just reminding you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, so we grow together. And you guys also need to learn something new from me, and from your comments also I'm learning something. I'm also adding something into my knowledge. Is another beautiful day. Okay, today we are going to make soap dishes, guys. 3 soap dishes, and today I made it especially for those who want to learn. It's beginner friendly because I explained everything. I showed all the process from scratch till you are going to have your own soap dish at home. So in today's project, we are going to use natural flowers, dried natural flowers. So because of that, we are going to use 3x1 epoxy resin. Why 3x1? 3x1 takes longer to cure. It cures slowly, and from my experience, 3x1 ratio produce low VOCs while curing up. So this one I think prevents dried flower to burn, so they come out naturally. It's like the drying process won't affect the flowers that much. Okay, I'm just speaking out of my experience. So if anyone else know or have any other idea to prevent the burning of flowers or changing colors of the flowers in resin art, please don't hesitate to give us your opinion, your experience, your knowledge on the comment section, so me and my subscribers, and for those who are watching this video, also can learn something from you. Well, the main ingredient that we are using here, the materials, is epoxy resin, 3x1 ratio. I don't have any specific brand as usual. I'm just going for the high gross, low VOCs materials. That is what I always buy, and those which so resistant to yellowing, that's what I'm going after whenever I'm going to buy my epoxy resin. That is the 3 things that I look for. Okay, and also we are going to use colors again, and this time I'm just going to use mica powder and glitters, yeah, and natural flowers, dried natural flowers, to make these soap dishes. So come with me to the end. Here are the important tips to avoid bubbles while making your resin art. First, during mixing, you have to mix it in one way. Like, you don't mix it like clockwise. No, you mix it to one way. If you decide to go it clockwise, then you go like that till you finish mixing it. And also, you are going to do it slow. Like, you don't have to mix it so quick, like that produce so many bubbles. And second, after mixing, maybe you can leave it for few seconds if you are using high fast curing resin, or you can leave it for a few minutes, like 1-2 minutes, if you're using the slow curing resin. And also during pouring, look closely on how I pour my resin. Yeah, you don't have to pour it like in a certain way that it will produce like bubbles. You have to do it slowly and very carefully. You see how I do it? Yeah, you can see even in that video. That is how I naturally avoid bubbles. I avoid bubbles. Sometimes I don't have bubbles at all while doing that. Sometimes I can have only few bubbles that I can handle, you see. So you get your products like they're so good. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you have been with me till this far, you will notice that I used nylon in two of the soap dishes and one I didn't use it. So you guys, I want to know from you what you have learned, how the effect that will come with the nylon and the one that I didn't use it. You tell me on the comment section, what have you seen? Here we are revealing this one. Okay, let me help you. This one we used the nylon, this one. Okay, watch it closely and tell me, what have you realized? Yeah, from it. Yeah, that's number one. As you can see the flowers that you put there. Yeah, you see, that is the first one. Okay, you can watch it closely like that and tell me. Okay, keep it. And the second one, that one also we used the nylon. Yeah. So I want you guys to watch closely and tell me. Okay, that one, you see the effect on it, as you can see closely. Yeah, watch it closely and then you tell me, what have you realized, or what's the difference. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, you just watch it closely. And then the last one, this one I didn't use it, the nylon. So also, yeah, you can watch it and tell me, what have you realized, what have you seen, the difference. Yes, and the effect of colors. Yeah, when I'm using the nylon and when not using the nylon. Then you guys tell me on the comment section, what have you learned? Okay, what should I do better next time? Thank you for being with me till this far. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on the next video. Bye.